Home, where you feel safe, sheltered from the elements, and free to be yourself. Where you work hard and laugh loud. You enjoy the now and clean up later. Where the pace of life slows down enough for you to remember the little things. It's that sense of the familiar. Your favorite spot to relax and refresh is the day winds down. That's why at Owens Corning, we're working to deliver quality roofing products for your home, caring about the details and innovating to develop solutions that perform as beautifully as they look. Because at the end of the day, we love home too, and we know it's what's under your roof that really matters. At Owens Corning, we know it's more than just a roof.